Hi, I'm back. Troy and Tecau, this is video number 2. This is your second painting and sort of instructions for it. We're now going into the magical, beautiful world of color. In the earlier video, I showed you the blue period and the pink period of Picasso. Color is very emotive. You could do the same painting in a dark blue and the same painting in a bright yellow, and it would be like two completely different things. Matter of fact, I used to have that as an assignment. So today we're going to start with using color. Color is the strongest element in our painting toolbox, as it were. It's amazing. Color wheel. You should have all purchased a color wheel. A lot of instructions on it, fantastic. It will help you for the rest of this course. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is create a color wheel. On a piece of paper, you're going to put, I will do this for you this way. You're going to have the primary colors of red, yellow, and blue. You cannot mix these colors, they're primaries. But with these three colors, you can create all the others. So I want you to create a color wheel. So this is called primary colors. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. Blue and red, you get violet. Red and yellow, you get orange. That is called the secondary triad. The primary triad is red, yellow, blue. So red, yellow, blue, green, violet, orange. You're going to mix these. Half red and half blue, violet. Half red, half yellow, orange. Half blue, half yellow, green. So that is called the secondary triad. Then there is the tertiary colors, which would be like yellow, green. You mix yellow and the green, you get a yellow, green. Blue, green. Blue, violet. Red, violet. Red, orange. And yellow, orange. This side of the color wheel is referred to as the warm side. Hot colors, yellow, oranges, reds. This side is the cool side. Paintings, colors that are related to each other are called analogous colors. Our second painting is called a painting with analogous colors. So your job is going to be, after you do your color wheel on a piece of paper, you're going to mix all these colors and label them, please, so you'll know. Very similar to your color wheel. I also want you, when you're making this, to have the color, let's say, for the primaries, red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, and blue. Red with white is called a tint. Yellow with white, a tint. Blue with white, a tint. The same colors, red, yellow, blue, and all the others, mixed with black, are called shades. So red, yellow, blue, plus black is a shade. All of this is on, information is on the color wheel. So you can have a dark orange, so it's on the warm side, but it's actually, you could make it a cool color by adding black. You can also add the neutral gray. So you have tints, shades, and with the neutral gray, half white and half black, you then have tones. That's called tones. So your second painting of which there's a video in here of it, of the still life, you're going to pick one side of the color wheel or the other. You're going to decide. After mixing all these colors, you're going to decide what colors you'd like to work with. So you're going to pick one side or the other. So if you do the painting in all cool side, let's say, if the entire painting is cool, you still need some contrast. You can get contrast by using tints and shades. Or you could jump across and use a warm color in with those. So your second composition is going to be primarily warm or primarily cool. The way we're going to do this is you're going to pick one of these colors. You're going to say to yourself, I really like working on I like warm. I'm on the warm side. And I love that orange I mixed up. So you're going to take that orange and you can paint your ground shape, the picture plane, all orange. Let it dry. The still life I sent you, the images, you can use part of, some of, or very little of. I want you to create your own composition using those photos I sent you. So you're going to go on your computer, you're going to look at this, you're going to maybe dodge out a little piece and say, I want to paint that. Then you're going to take a photo of that. Then you're going to send that to me along with, after you finish the black, white, and gray ones. So this is what I want to paint. You're going to do a quick sketch of it. Then you're going to start painting it. You're going to make the ground shape. Let's say I'm working on the cool side, but I want to paint the ground yellow for contrast. I could then go over here and have cool. This could be yellow, which is warm, and all of my everything else is cool. So the picture is going to be subjective colors. I don't want the colors that are in the photographs. I want you to pick your own. So you're going to do, that is your second painting. Now, you may have to call me, and I suggest doing that. Talking to me on WhatsApp. I am going to be available on Thursday, of course. I'm not going to be doing an online thing. On Tuesday. This Thursday. Sorry, I'm all mixed up with the dates here because of the holidays. We can talk about this on Thursday. I'll be answering phones from 6 to 10. I want you to send in your monochromatic. And we can make some adjustments on that possibly. But you will speak to me Thursday. Next week, Tuesday, I would like you to send in some drawings of the new painting. That will be the 7th. Yes, the 7th. Send in drawings of the new composition. Tell me what colors you're going to do them. And then Thursday, we're going to have an online meeting. I now have a headset. I can hear you and talk with you. I want everybody to start getting into gear, because if you're not showing up and you're not talking to me unless you've dropped a class, I would have no recourse but to give you a 0, and I don't like doing that. If you have any questions, please call me. You've got the number, you've got the WhatsApp. We can talk about this stuff. Again, I do miss teaching you in a classroom situation because I'm much more effective there. If you have any questions, please call. But remember, Thursday, you're calling positively. By Thursday, everyone must check in. Next Tuesday, you're going to start your next painting. And then Thursday, we're going to be online with a discussion. If you have any questions at all, call me. All right, I hope you all have a good weekend and a lovely 4th of July. Be careful out there. We're still getting sick. Thank you. Bye-bye.